everyone, welcome to week 9 in environmental science. This week's module has an anonymous survey for you to fill out. This is really just a way for you to give me some feedback about how things are going. So at this point in the semester, you have seen all the different kinds of assignments, you've taken an exam, you've done weekly quizzes, weekly labs, weekly discussions. I just want to hear from you about what's working and not working from you in this anonymous survey. So please fill that out by the end of the week. This week, we'll be covering the content from Chapter 9 about forests. On the content page, I have some learning objectives, some terms to know, and then some videos and graphs to help you understand some of the content in Chapter 9. We have a discussion this week where we are going to talk about wildfire, and I have a series of articles. So some of these are web-based articles, there's videos, there's some audio articles that you can listen to. Certainly you can find your own high-quality sources of information. By Wednesday, I want to hear what concerns you the most about the increase in wildland fire with an explanation. And then I want to hear what you think is the single biggest driver of the increase in wildland fire, and what you think is the most effective strategy to address this growing issue. As always, please explain yourself using high quality sources of information and cite all of your sources so we know where you got the information. Towards the end of the week, make sure you check into this discussion and respond to your peers. So here's some guidelines for the grading of that portion of the discussion. This week's lab involves you examining some data that I collected with one of my face-to-face classes on the COS Weed campus. So specifically, we examined some ecosystem factors in the campus forest. So that's the picture you see here on the left, and then along the edge, to try to see how the ecosystem is altered by fragmentation. So here's an overview, and then these are the methods that we used. And then on this page, you can see our results. So based on those methods, these are the results that we got. And I'm asking you to take a look at these results. If they're confusing to you, here's a video where I walk through this spreadsheet and explain what everything is. Finally, what I'm looking for are the answers to these 10 questions. So based on your understanding of the methods that we used and your understanding of the results, I'm looking for your answers to these 10 questions. So this isn't something where you need to go out and do this lab in the forest. My class did it for you. You just need to make sure you understand the methods and also the results. So upload the answers to those 10 questions here when you're done. The only other 2 elements of the week 9 module are a practice quiz. This is meant to help you get ready for the week 9 quiz, which is the last piece of the week 9 module. As always, please let me know if you have any questions and have a great week.